Saturato ang kalangay. Saktura ang kalangay. Yan, dili bigay yung langay kay tanong katong
Vincent!
Veda, yun yung birthday girl natin. Everybody clap your hands! Okay, once again, palakpakan mo rin ang ating birthday family. And this time, everybody shout mo na happy birthday! Veda, go! Mula sa likod ba mga decoration lang mo dira, ma'am? Maningol ba mo, ma'am? Again, happy birthday, Veda, go! Happy birthday, Veda! Ayun, once again, palakpakan mo rin ang ating birthday family. Okay, and of course, this time, so to start our program, everybody, stand up po tayong lahat. Okay, manindog ng tanan. And of course, I would like to call on Ma'am Ellen Canoy for the opinion. Palakpakan naman din ating birthday family. Everybody clap your hands. Ayan, okay. Kami na dito tayo sa harapan. Okay, and of course, hello Princess Vida, happy birthday. And of course, Ma'am and Sir, okay, good evening po sa inyo. So this time, everybody, please sit down na po tayong lahat. Okay, so this time, Ma'am and Daddy, so before we start, okay, so syempre, okay, welcome lang po natin itong mga bisita, okay? So welcome natin itong mga guests, visitors, friends, neighbors, and of course, mga our. Bless you, may the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Okay, once again, palakpakan mo na tayo ating birthday girl. Yay! Then everybody shout, happy birthday, Vida, go! Happy birthday, Vida! Yung mas malakas pa dyan, happy birthday, Vida, go! Happy birthday, Vida! Once again, palakpakan na ating birthday girl. Mga prizes. Raise your hands. Who wants prize? Okay, aalamin yung kids, ang prize sa Game Sigurlan is okay, 500 pesos. Yes po, nakasalalay po sa mami ni ayun, Vida. Okay, so it's time. Kids, get birthday to you. Okay, one more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Louder ate, louder. Kusga, go! Jam, and? Ano? Ki, yung pangalan mo? Ki? O, ikaw, what is your name? Jorem, and? Jana, and?
Ambot!
Pag mahina yung boses, i-out ni Kuya Clown ha. Dapat lakasan yung mga boses. Kuya, what is your name? Go! Huwag pa rin nabunyagan, ma'am. Kaya ginsa man eh. Isa'y nag-iyaan na yung basingan. Ma'am, no. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so this time kids, makinig. Okay, proceed natin sa ating first game. So listen to Kuya Clown para hindi ma-out sa game. Okay? So our first game is what we call, okay, tongue twister. Okay? So lahat ng mga kids, everybody say, chocolate! Chocolate! Make it louder, chocolate! Chocolate! Okay, isa-isa natin yung mga kids. Ikaw yung mauna, chocolate! Chocolate! Very good, chocolate! Chocolate! Very good, chocolate! Chocolate! Very good, chocolate! Chocolate! Very good. Chocolate. Chocolate. Choy. Chocolate. Hindi chocolate. Bawal ang chocolate. Okay? O, ikaw ayusin mo. Cholokoy. Very good. Very good. Cholokoy. This time, kids, ano gusto nyo? Trial or final? Trial muna. Make it trial. Okay, kids? Kahit trial, dapat ayusin ang pagbigkas. Okay? So, kuya, ikaw yung mauna trial game. Chocolate, cholokoy. Ready and go!
chocolate, cholokoy.
Very good. Very good. Ikaw?
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Magaling. Ikaw?
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Chocolate, bahala ka. Ikaw, chocolate, cholokoy.
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Very good. Ikaw, Mads, sarong nga, Mads. Chocolate, cholokoy.
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Magaling! Ibukan ni ma'am. One man down. Ikaw, ayusin mo. Chocolate, cholokoy.
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Very good. Ikaw, Mads. Taro nga, Mads. Chocolate. Cholokoy.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Very good. Magaling ko, oh. Ikaw, ready, go.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Very good, go. Cholochoy, cholochoy. Ako, cholochoy. Wala na ako si cholochoy. Ready na ka, ate? Are you ready?
Chocolate,
Dili ba? Ready na ba ka? Ready na ka? Dili pa.
chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate.
Very good, very good, very good. Ikaw, ayusin mo. Katri ha, ana ha. Okay? Chocolate, cholokoy, 3 times. Okay? Ana ha? Ready, and go!
Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate.
Very good! Magaling talaga tong batang to. Ikaw. Very good, very good. Ikaw. Ready, and go!
Chocolate, 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 chocolate.
Very good! We have, okay, 2, 4, 6. Okay, uro ka dito, ate. Wow. Okay, wait lang ha, wala mo nakaalis. Get 1 only. 1? Oh, wait lang ate, wala si mulakaw. Mag-3 muna. Wait lang ha. Okay, get 1 only. 1, and wait lang.
Dapat dari sana. Dari kanan.
For you and for you. Wait lang. Okay, what can you say to our
Dragon fruit.
dragon fruit?
Apple.
Apple, very good, very good. Go. Grapes, very good. Go. Okay, fruit, go. Birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everybody, sabay-sabay po tayo magbilang. In a count of 3, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Princess Pina, make a wish and blow your candle. Make a wish and blow. Yay! Palakpakan mo na lang aking birthday girl. Okay. Birthday, kita mo hulyo. Nasa na to. Kadali lang, kadali lang. Hindi ko balik. Hindi balik naman. Kuya, wait lang. Di unsa naman. Pagin sa maning anak. Kuya, ingon ko mag-magic ang imong manigi. Balik-balik na hino. Kuya, wait lang kuya, wait lang. I'm so sorry. Mga ex-pasaylo si Kuya Card, akong nahatag na magic sa imo daan na ni. Okay? Mo nang maguba. Ilis na itong bag ko. Okay? So wait lang kuya. Tanaw sa mga friend. Itudlo sa yahaw niya ha. Okay? So kuya, wait lang. Pangitaon sa ni Kuya Card ang bag ko. Asa na to? Okay? Kuya, para dili maguba, gunitig duha ka kamot. Hold 2 hands, okay? Then, shake. Okay, listen. Shake, then blow. Point to ate. Are you ready? Yes or no?
Yes.
Gunitig duha kamot para di na mabalik. Go. Pag magic na doon. Sige, karunag magic. Go, 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 go. Sige. Karunag doon na kuya. Wala kong ipangita. Diyod tayo. Sige. Ituyok-tuyok. Kumusta naman yung mura na wiper sa sakyanan? Okay. Kuya, wag. Kuya, enough. Hold 2 hands. Ulag huwag kamot. Shake. Shake. Tapos, suyupon.
Ulan.
Then, okay. Okay.
Ulan dyan.
Again, hold 2 hands.
Asa mo
Shake
to?
like this. Shake. Then blow.
Wala patay. Wala to tuto. Wala
Okay.
kadala.
Mata, gunitig ka. Anak pag-unit. Ulang ka si Kuya Cloud para di ka makaguba. Shake. Blow. Okay. Okay, once again, palakpak. Ma'am, okay na ma'am ha. Sa mami na po ko ni Kuya. Mami? Ma'am, hello, good evening. Okay.
Arang. Yati pa to.
Pero kung kitang bata, magtagagwarta, di malipay. Okay, kuya, short lang kuya. Kay mami pa ngayong kwarta ha. Okay, thank you so much once again. Palakpakan si kuya. Okay, so this time, kids, you want more magic? Yes or no? Now kids, what is this? It's a... This ni Ugma. Get your flower. Okay, next. Figure. Everybody watch.